Hi, my name is Rumi and I'm from Busy Web Design, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for HostGator. Now, if you haven't already seen a video I made before about actually how you buy your domain, you can go ahead and click on the top right corner and I'll have the video there, and then you can go ahead and you can actually watch that video so you can see how you can buy the domain. Now, if you've already done that, now the next thing is to actually get hosting for your domain so you can actually build out the website. So you can go ahead and get started right now, and then there's going to be 3 different plans: the hatching plan, the baby plan, and then the business plan. Now, the hatching plan is if you only have one website, and the baby plan is if you have multiple websites that you want to actually make. So depending on how many websites you want, you can go ahead and choose the plan. Now, the business plan is actually have other stuff as well, like free SEO tools, free dedicated IP, and other things like that, but that's not necessary. And it also includes a free domain as well. But since we already bought the domain, we don't need this plan, and we can go ahead and choose the baby plan. Now, for my case, I'm going to choose the baby plan because I have multiple websites. And if you actually want to make multiple websites, then you're going to have to choose the baby plan. Now, if you only want one website, you can go ahead and click on the hatching plan. Now, I'm going to choose the baby plan because I'm going to have multiple websites. And once you're here, you can go ahead and type in the domain you bought in the last video. So I'm going to type it in now. And now once you've actually filled out that information, you can go ahead and choose your billing cycle. Depending if you want to just get billed every 6 months, you can choose that one. Or if you want to get billed every 12 months, you can choose this. Or every 36 months, you can choose this one. And now you can just fill out your information. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back now. But once you've actually filled out all the information, you can go ahead and click on this check and agree to HostGator's terms. And then click on checkout now. And then it'll send you a receipt confirming that you actually paid for HostGator. And that's pretty much it, guys. And if you like this video and it helped you out, make sure you hit that like button. And if you want to support me, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And if you need help with your website or need any advertising for your company, make sure you go ahead and check out busywebdesign.com. You can just go ahead and book a call with me at my website and choose the time you want, and I can answer some questions, and that's it. If you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next video.